Hmm.
Where's Hiccup?
Maybe I should stop hiding now.
And then she... Who is that?
I'm
gonna kill you all!
As I was saying, I'm Sean, your new host. Or your first host. I don't know. For today's challenge, you'll be finding this special rock. But here's the twist. We won't be making teams. You will all work solo. If you don't end up finding the rock, you'll be up for elimination. Ready? Go!
Oh, my red button.
Wait. Maybe you shouldn't press that button.
Why?
Because who knows what it does? For all I know, it could end the world. Whoa, wait! You idiot! You just caused a budget cut!
What happened?
Fern shampoo, what the hell did you do?
Never mind. Today's challenge is to fix the budget cut. Fix it now.
I need to find that red button, quick!
I should probably go find that red button.
I knew I could do it.
Whoa, the quality is really good. A little too good.
Never let that happen again. That was really time wasting, and I do not enjoy that.